Unbelievable! Is this a clone? Or is this a niche level summer fragrance? What is up, fragrance family? This is your boy, Amoy Piranyan. Welcome back again here, another episode dito sa channel ko po. My name is Armin and I'm going to review a fragrance which is a clone. But it seems like hindi siya clone. Parang na siya niche sa totoo lang. I'm going to talk about this scent. Arche Extrait by French Avenue. So, what does it smell like? Initial blast pa lang, you will get that parang fruity, very bright, citrusy, lemony, na may pagka-aquatic feel. Parang aldehydes, parang fizzy, parang tonic drink. Ganun yung vibe niya sa umpisa. Parang amoy bagong laba o parang may naglalaba na in a expensive detergent way. Or parang you're entering in a very expensive, high-class, 5-star luxury hotel. It feels like that. Then after that, you will get that parang creamy texture that's coming from the almond. And also you will get that parang lemony meringue sa background. And with the touch of konting muskiness to give you that cleanliness, to give you that parang posh and neat at the same time. Kasi sobrang linis ng amoy nito eh. And with a touch of fruity vetiver dry down na may pagkakonting woody touch sa dry down niya. So this is talagang meant to be to kinirate nitong pabango na itong Arche Extrait. It's perfectly sa mga high heat summer countries. Especially dito sa Pinas. Ito yung klaseng scent na kahit ganong kainit pa, 40 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Celsius, kahit sobrang taas pa yan, 50 plus degrees Celsius, lumalaban tong pabango na to. Believe it or not, you judge it for yourself, try mo munang amoyin or try to test it for yourself, see for yourself how quality ang ginawa nila dito. So what does it smell like? It smells like, it reminds me of Edition Blanche, Allure Homme Edition Blanche, but on a different level. Para na siyang niche level ng Edition Blanche. Para na nga siyang hindi rin maski Edition Blanche eh. Para siya may sarili siyang parang own identity. May sarili siyang character. Itong Arche Extrait. This is for those people na mahilig sa summer fragrance. It doesn't matter, casual, semi-formal, formal, everyday errands, special events, you are a car sales agent, you are a businessman, ito yung klaseng scent na marirecommend ko during the summer dito sa Pilipinas. Kahit saan man bansa kayo. Arche Extrait, I think it's really, really worth it every penny. Hindi masakit sa bulsa if you smelled this fragrance. If try mong maamoyin, you will see how worth it is this. Okay? Try mong timbangin sa sarili mo. Mahal siya, but grabe yung quality ng pabango niya. Ganon always, tingnan nyo yung pabango. Itong pabango na to. Okay? Highly recommend this one. Check this one out dito sa yellow basket ko. If you want to check this one out, let me know in the comment section if you have tried this one. Or what kind of a summer fragrance is your favorite from your wardrobe? Let me know in the comment section. Hopefully nagustuhan nyo itong review na to. The performance of this one, it's outstanding. Projection, longevity, sillage is just lahat. Check the box. Okay? Let me know in the comment section. Love you all. Till next time, fragrance family. Mwah.